Hello friends, in this video we will learn about the purpose of key influencers. So as you can see, the definition states the key influencers visual helps you understand the factors that drive a metric you're interested in. It analyzes your data, ranks the factors that matter, and displays them as key influencers. For example, suppose you want to figure out what influences employee turnover, which is also known as churn. One factor may be employment contract length, another factor may be commute time. The purpose of the key influencers visual is to assist in finding individual factors that drive an outcome. An outcome can be categorical or numerical. An example of categorical outcome is something like customer reviews that are positive or negative. So, in other words, this is kind of root cause analysis, right? So, um, let's say, for example, you find out what are the factors that are influencing sales, that are, you know, the major factor that are driving sales to increase or that are leading sales to decrease, or you can find out what are the factors that are leading towards customer dissatisfaction and how can you uh, work on that to bring it down, right? So that's where the key influences factor feature is used. Now I'll explain this from the beginning. I will delete this, and here in the style option I'll change the color. Let's say I want this color, okay, and I will click this option. This is on the second last row on the left hand side. Here I'll place this option attrition, and I will explain by let's say job involvement. Okay, then we have environment satisfaction. Place that as well here in explain by section. Then again job satisfaction, I'll place it here. Alright, so I'll click on focus mode. Okay, so here it states what influences attrition to be yes. So if the job involvement is 1 or less, the attrition increases to more than 30%. So which it's kind of self-explanatory that if the job involvement is extremely less, that may even lead to job dissatisfaction and also environment dissatisfaction, and that can also obviously lead to increase in attrition. So you can work on that and you can control the attrition. So again, if the involvement of 1 or 2 is higher, means higher satisfaction, and obviously that also leads to higher environment satisfaction as well, higher job satisfaction, higher satisfaction, and that can decrease the attrition. That's how these factors are interlinked. Let's again, as I've explained, if the environment satisfaction is 1 or less, the attrition is way higher. We can work on that. You can decrease it. Again, the same thing, job satisfaction, environment satisfaction, job environment, these things are interlinked. If it's 1 or less job satisfaction, the attrition increases. So similarly, you can do the same analysis for sales and customer satisfaction, and obviously this is one of the incredible features that may help the management really very well. Okay, all right, so I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching the